Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Facebook tutorial for the beginners. In this video, I will explain you how to add current city and hometown into your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Dart Tutorials. If you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video. So let's start the video.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Well, to add the hometown and the current city in your Facebook profile, you need to click on the profile icon in your home page. So just click on the profile icon on the top of the home page. Now you need to click on the edit profile button here. Now go down and click on edit your about info button. Now in the left pane you can see there are many options. You need to select the second option, places you have lived. Click on this option. On the right you can see there are two options, add your current city, add your hometown and other places lived. So you can also add a place where neither you have born or nor you are staying currently. So you can add the multiple cities by using this option. So first, to add a current city, click on this and type the name of the city. For example, if I type Hyderabad, so I can select the Hyderabad here. I will click on the save changes button. Okay, then it is asking that do you want to share this info to the into your timeline. So I will select dismiss. Okay, then it is asking add your hometown. Okay, so you can add your hometown. Say I want to add Bhubaneswar. So you type the few text and automatically the name of the city will be shown in the drop down list. You can select the name of the city from the list and click OK and click on the save changes button again. Again it will ask your permission to publish this information in your timeline. If you want to share, you can click on the share button, else you can click on the dismiss button. And here you can also add a place. Suppose right now you are at Hyderabad and recently because of some posting or because of some change in the job location you are migrating to the new city, then you can add a place here. You can click on this, you can add the location of the you can type the name of the new city. Say I have migrated to Mumbai, so I will type the name Mumbai. Okay, and on date on which you have moved to Mumbai, Bandra, and then you can just share this information to your friends so that they should know that now you are not at Hyderabad, you have shifted to Mumbai. So this is a way how you can update your location, your current city and your hometown. So I hope this info is useful for you. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.